Hi, I'm looking forward to sharing this really simple technique with you that is extremely powerful because you can do it anywhere. You need nothing except yourself. And it's really just breathing. Something so simple that we do all the time. The lungs are one of our detox channels. So, in order to detoxify the body in that regard, we're going to breathe deeply. There's a method called box breathing technique. And if you think about it like a box, a square, really what it is we take a deep breath in on the count of 4. We hold our breath for a count of 4. We exhale for a count of 4. And then we hold the out breath with nothing in our lungs for the count of 4. Some people might find this challenging. You can try at first breathing in deeply, holding for 4, breathing out deeply, taking a pause, resetting, and then doing the process again until you're ready to hold 4 seconds or 4 breaths, 4 moments, 4 pauses on that out breath with nothing. And let's try it together. Okay, so get in a comfortable position. You can close your eyes. Take a couple deep breaths just to settle, to be present, to focus here. Okay, and then we're going to take a deep breath in on the count of 4. We're going to hold it in 4, and then we're going to exhale on 4 and hold the out 4. Ready? And deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. And you can repeat this as long as you need. You can do it a few times. It can really help you center, ground, and detoxify the body. Just another tool that I'm really happy to share with you. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Have a great day.